Hello everyone, and a very warm welcome. I am truly thrilled to have you join us today as we embark on what I believe will be the most transformative discussion we have ever shared. We are not just talking about saving money, we are unlocking this secret, the comprehensive modern wealth blueprint for building enduring financial freedom and achieving professional success in this dynamic, interconnected global world. This session is designed to be your detailed roadmap, exploring the precise methods for earning in the digital age, the smartest places to invest for growth, and the crucial skills you must master to thrive anywhere on the planet. By using clear, structured, and carefully articulated English throughout, this discussion will also serve as a powerful, immersive tool for enhancing your language fluency, helping you naturally absorb the professional vocabulary of success. The fundamental truth of today's economy is that the days of relying solely on a single traditional job are decisively behind us. Financial liberation begins with understanding and actively engaging with the diverse, dynamic ways to generate income, many of which are leveraged through powerful digital platforms. The first major pillar of this blueprint is smart earning, and perhaps the most accessible and scalable pathway is through digital entrepreneurship. This involves the creation of intrinsic value online. Consider the power of launching an e-commerce store, potentially using a dropshipping model on platforms like Shopify. This innovative concept allows you to sell physical products globally without the massive hurdle of holding inventory, fundamentally democratizing retail. Alternatively, the path of digital products, online courses, premium templates, specialized ebooks, or software tools offers incredible potential. These assets require dedicated effort up front, but once created, they provide a powerful, durable source of passive income that can sell around the clock worldwide. Moving beyond product creation, the global demand for skilled freelancers is rapidly expanding, offering immediate, high-rate income potential. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr have transformed the job market, connecting experts with clients across every time zone. The key here is to offer high-value services that command premium rates, such as advanced copywriting for sophisticated marketing campaigns, specialized SEO, search engine optimization, modern web development using cutting-edge frameworks, or professional video editing for the massive and hungry creator economy. This consultancy model grants you the ultimate freedom, the ability to set your own rates, choose your projects, and operate as a global expert from literally any location with a reliable internet connection. Furthermore, if you possess a unique voice, specialized knowledge, or an entertaining personality, the creator economy itself is a powerful vehicle for wealth. By building an engaged audience on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram, you create a long-term asset. This asset is monetized through various compounding channels, including ad revenue from views, lucrative brand sponsorships, direct sales of your own merchandise, and consistent audience support via membership platforms. Building a strong personal brand is, in essence, building a durable economic foundation that can withstand market fluctuations. However, earning money represents only half of the journey. The true secret to enduring success lies in mastering strategic investment, which is the art of making your money work harder for you. This crucial phase is about planting seeds for future financial growth. For long-term wealth accumulation, the technology sector remains an undisputed powerhouse. Look for opportunities in companies that are building the future, leaders in artificial intelligence, AI, machine learning, ML, and cloud computing infrastructure. These technologies are not fads, they are the foundational elements of the next century's economy. Furthermore, sectors like fintech, financial technology, and cybersecurity are becoming essential, mission-critical services globally, offering robust investment potential. A second classic pillar of wealth is real estate, yet modern investment does not require the traditional laborious direct ownership. Instead, investors can gain exposure through REITs, or real estate investment trusts. These are essentially stocks that invest in large portfolios of income-producing properties, allowing you to benefit from both asset appreciation and rental income without the operational hassle of property management, making it highly accessible to global investors seeking diversification. Finally, for those with a calculated risk tolerance and a longer time horizon, alternative assets offer powerful diversification. This includes classic safe haven assets like precious metals, and increasingly, certain forms of cryptocurrency. While it is vital to approach these high volatility assets with detailed knowledge and strict caution, their innovative, decentralized nature offers the potential for disproportionate gains as the global financial landscape evolves. In today's globalized job market, your specific academic degree often holds less importance than your portfolio of adaptable, high-demand skills. Mastering these skills is the key to unlocking superior earning power and achieving seamless global mobility. The first foundational skill is a deep understanding of digital marketing. Every business needs to attack customers online, making expertise in this area indispensable. This includes mastering sophisticated content strategy, understanding how to effectively run targeted advertising campaigns on major social media platforms, and achieving proficiency in data analytics to accurately measure campaign performance and return on investment. These skills are universally transferable and recognized across all industries. Equally vital are your advanced communication and influence skills. Success hinges on your ability to articulate complex ideas clearly, negotiate effectively, and persuade diverse stakeholders. This goes far beyond mere language fluency. It encompasses polished public speaking abilities, the capacity to write clear and concise reports, and critically, proficiency in cross-cultural communication, which is essential when leading international teams or closing global business deals. Furthermore, even if your role is non-technical, a degree of technical aptitude and basic coding literacy is becoming non-negotiable. Familiarity with introductory languages like Python for data analysis or JavaScript for web interactivity is an immense advantage. More importantly, cultivate the technical aptitude to quickly learn and adapt to new software, tools, and platforms, ensuring you remain professionally relevant and highly valuable in a rapidly changing technological landscape. Finally, true success transcends the balance sheet. It's about fulfillment, operational efficiency, and relentless self-improvement. Implementing simple yet powerful success habits can dramatically accelerate your trajectory. The most successful people on the planet commit to daily upskilling, dedicating time every day to learn something new and relevant. This is not formal education. It is about consuming high-quality information through specialized newsletters, expert podcasts, or focused online courses. Make a conscious commitment to master one new relevant skill every quarter. This ensures your knowledge capital is always appreciating, making you continually more valuable to the market. Secondly, you must master the art of prioritization. Being busy does not equate to being productive. Success requires sharp focus, often achieved by employing principles like the Pareto principle, focusing your effort on the 20% of tasks that will yield 80% of your desired results. Learn to politely yet firmly say no to low-value, distracting activities, freeing up deep, focused work time for the tasks that truly drive your income and career forward. And lastly, remember that your network is your net worth. Actively cultivate genuine, mutually beneficial relationships with high-achieving professionals in your industry and adjacent fields. Most importantly, actively seek out a mentor, someone who has already achieved the success you're striving for. Their experienced guidance can help you bypass years of common mistakes and accelerate your progress exponentially. You do not have to figure out every challenge on your own. Leverage the wisdom of those who have paved the way. We have traversed the entire landscape of modern success today, from the best ways to earn and invest in the digital age, to the critical skills you need to master for global mobility, and the simple yet powerful habits that guarantee continuous progress. The blueprint is now entirely clear. Earn smartly, invest wisely, master high-value skills, and commit to continuous learning. I truly hope this detailed and immersive guide has provided you with the precise clarity and renewed inspiration needed to take the next monumental step in your financial and professional life. The moment to act is now. If you found this comprehensive breakdown valuable and you're ready to implement these powerful lessons, please show your support. Hit the like button to signal that this content is valuable to you. Subscribe to the channel right now to ensure you receive all of our future high-value transformative lessons. Leave a comment below and share with our community. Which key skill or investment strategy are you committing to prioritize in the next 90 days? Thank you for investing your precious time with us today. Now, go out there and execute this blueprint to build the future you deserve.